This is an Acer laptop. I'll tell you the exact price at the end of this video. In this video, I'll show you the inbox contents followed by the laptop's build and features. The exact model is the Acer Acer Lite. The present cost on Amazon is between 30,000 to 31,000 rupees. During offer time, the price decreases even more. As promised, I'll share the exact price of this laptop that I purchased in this video, so stay tuned without skipping. This is how the package looks. It's secure and the quality is good. If in case the seals are not intact or if it looks opened, there are higher chance that it has been used by someone or something fishy is going on. On that time, contact the Amazon and they will give you the best solution. After opening the box, we get the charger brick on one side. Inside, the laptop is secured with good cushioning foam. After removing the laptop from the box, there are some extra items in a plastic bag. Inside, we get one microfiber cloth for cleaning the laptop display, followed by a CD and a complete user manual. This is a barrel type charger. The output is 45 watts. I kept all these things aside. Now let's have a look at the laptop. After removing the plastic cover from the laptop screen, this is how it looks. It appears a bit weird because of the wide angle lens I'm using for my camera. This screen can go flat up to 180 degrees. This is such a cool thing. On the display bottom side, you can see the branding name of the laptop followed by a 1080p sticker on the left side. Talking about the keyboard, it is a very basic keyboard guys, and there is no backlight option is available. For this price, what can we expect from this laptop? This laptop overall comes with a metallic design. It's so nice to see for this price range, and plastic is also there. Don't think that entirely it is made up of with metal. This is how the top side of the laptop looks. It's very clean and classy with only the branding mentioned. Now let's have a look at the ports that we get on this laptop. On the left side, we get a Kensington lock followed by one Ethernet port, a micro SD card slot, one USB 3.0 type A port, one standard USB port, a full size SIM card slot, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the right side, we have one type C slot for data transfer, one more USB 3.0 type A port, one HDMI slot followed by a light indicator for charging, and finally a charging slot. This laptop has all the necessary slots for external connectivity. With the type C slot, you can only transfer data. You cannot charge this laptop. On the back side, if you look at the bottom, the speakers are located on the corners left and right side. If you observe the top side, on the back side, there is a big cutout for air intake, and you can also see a fan as well. The ventilation is pretty good for air circulation, but the problem is that a lot of dust is likely to accumulate inside if it is having this much of big openings. I recommend all laptop manufacturers at least provide a transparent filter to prevent the major dust particles to enter into the laptop components. On each corner, the grips are provided, which elevates somewhat height as well for the laptop. Talking about the keyboard, it's a full-size keyboard. You get a separate number pad on the right side, followed by function keys on the top. The power button is located on the top left corner. Beside it, there are two light indicators. Unlike all other Windows laptops, this one also comes with a lot of infographic stickers next to the trackpad area. The trackpad is quite good, but it's not very big or too small. It's in like medium range. Since this laptop comes with Windows 11 out of the box, this trackpad is supported for all types of gestures. Talking about the specifications, this Acer Acer Lite laptop comes with an Intel Core i3 12th generation U series processor. It has 8GB of RAM and a 512GB of SSD. This is a 15.6-inch laptop weighing around 1.59 kilograms. I have already started using this laptop and testing it for different scenarios including video editing, gaming and more. I'll post a dedicated video about that, so stay tuned by hitting that subscribe button. Before revealing the price, note that this is an entry-level laptop used for very basic tasks. The screen of this laptop is not that great. It is the most bizarre screen I've used in a laptop. The viewing angles are not at all satisfying. It's very terrible. Now regarding the price, I ordered during this an offer period on Amazon using a credit card. After applying all the offers, I got it for an effective price of 25,990 rupees. Yeah, that's the price of this laptop including the offers. I'm giving this laptop to my sister and I'll update you regarding its good and bad aspects in a dedicated video. If you don't want to miss that, you know what to do, just hit that subscribe button, and if you're watching this video later, check the description box and also the comment section for more related videos about this laptop.